Hi viewers of this presentation. I am G.V. Prasad, Director of Operations, Deep Foundation Institute of India. I have a pleasure in sharing latest update about our initiatives. DFI India is incorporated in 2013. It's a non-profit company. It got 400 membership base and affiliated to DFI USA. DFI USA is in existence since 1971. Current membership base is about 4,000. It has been contributing for the advancements in deep foundations in USA and at global level. So DFI India mission is to enhance the standards of Indian geotechnical and foundation industry, matching with the global best, and that will be done through different committees and in implementation of new technologies, skill programs, good work practices, student programs, women empowerment program, and conference, webinars, seminars, and workshop event. So we feel pride in saying that all these developments we achieve through collaborative efforts of multiple stakeholders. It is essential to know for the scope for improvement in the Indian geotechnical and foundation industry. So in developed countries, it's well organized, highly equipment oriented, and provide output with a good quality, high productivity and safety. So more than 40 mature technologies exist. Engineers, operators, technicians are well trained and certified. So in Indian context, low importance is given to geofoundation industry. 80% of volumes are handled by small-time contractors with no capacity to invest in new technologies. Fewer technologies exist and no mechanism is available to impart skill training and certification to the manpower. To achieve its mission, DFI India has taken a few initiatives which I highlight now. I feel happy to share the first technology initiative of DFI India with the support of CFA Pile Committee chaired by Dr. Sunil Basarkar from Afghans. CFA Pile is in existence for 40 years globally. Up to 400 meters piling is possible per day. Global share is 23% compared to large dia board piles of 25%. For different reasons, it has not been implemented in India yet. The current status of this committee is six CFA trial piles have been done, pile load testing is done, records shared with multiple stakeholders in India, CFA by pile guideline document developed and referred to BIS for IS code approval. We can see its penetration in India soon. The second initiative of DFI is implemented with the support of Geotechnical Characterization for Foundation Committee, currently headed by Mr. Amul Shingare, Chairman, and its goals are to implement NSDC approved training and certification program covering 4,000 lab technicians, 1,000 field supervisors. So implement professional education programs for geotechnical engineers and enhance geotechnical investigation practices in India. The current status is that we signed 5-year MOU with the National Academy of Construction. They will be providing necessary infrastructure facilities to conduct training programs at their Hyderabad campus. So we are ready to launch lab technician programs this year and also launch series of educational programs covering geotechnical engineers. Here is a quick snapshot of other initiatives being pursued by DFI. So DFI Chennai Metro International Working Group under the chairmanship of Dr. David Paul provides value-based solution to Chennai Metro second phase project related to foundation construction. DFI Groundwork, which is a student outreach program with the support of 3-member committee, implements webinar programs, paper competitions, interaction with the global experts, internship and employment opportunities. DFI India Women in Deep Foundation Committee with the support of 5-member team implement the women engineers empowerment programs. Many professionals of Indian foundation industry look forward to attend DFI annual conference event held during November to hear to global and Indian experts on interesting case studies, deliberations, technological advancements, and to have networking and exhibitor opportunities. It's a DFI goal to focus on a more number of training programs catering to design and field personnel for enhancing the productivity of foundation construction. So here are some photos of one such program we have conducted exclusively for Chennai Metro 90 engineers over 3 days period. DFI India is supported with a dynamic leadership to forge ahead with multiple programs for the benefit of Indian geotechnical and foundation industry. The 4-member board of directors provide strategic directions and formulate policies for the success of the organization. The executive director, Mrs. Teresa Engler, the technical director, Mrs. Mary Ellen of DFI USA, helps DFI India at every stage to mobilize required support from DFI Board of Trustees in garnering international expertise, in sharing DFI platform, their established systems for successful functioning of DFI India organization. 18-member executive committee headed by Chairman Mr. Aniruddhan and Vice Chairman Mr. Mohana Ramanathan, who are well-respected professionals with 40 plus years experience behind them. Other 16 members representing leadership of the major owner, contractors, equipment manufacturers, geotechnical consultants, academic institutions work together in a team-like manner for the success of different technical committee activities. Here is a summary of DFI India opportunities. It provides a platform for addressing the challenges related to execution of geotechnical and foundation scope, and by implementing new technologies, skill programs, good work practices. To achieve the desired results, continuous basis learning is required for all companies and professionals, and DFI India provides these opportunities by means of its conference, workshop, seminar programs, DFI journals publications, education series programs, technical committee activities, and other training programs. So here is a DFI key team driving its mission with the support of other executive committee members, technical committee members, and other well-wishers of the industry. So we request you not to miss next conference event planned during November, to participate as a sponsor, exhibitors, delegates to avail related benefits. DFI membership offers multiple benefits to corporate companies and individuals. It helps in generating business by understanding competitors and market share, by marketing products and services, by identifying new areas of investments. So DFI various programs help in acquiring technical knowledge and competencies by means of different offerings covering design, construction, new technologies, skill training programs and good work practices. One can have professional development opportunities by participating in public speaking and technical writing activities, by playing mentor or mentee role in various programs, and by being a part of various technical committees to learn the art of team building. All this in turn will help professionals in career advancements. The collective participation of DFI members and other stakeholders help foundation industry to achieve increased safety, higher quality, and more durable and sustainable foundations. For various membership options, so please follow the link specified in this presentation. Thank you for viewing this presentation and for your support for DFI India initiatives.